What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Right now, as you can see, we are in the Uber. I'm kidding. We're in Nikon's new car. We're in the Suburban, and we're gonna go jewelry shopping today. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Josh isn't off work until 7.
So you're picking up both of them?
Huh?
You're picking up both of them?
I don't know.
Kevin's a baller.
But anyways, guys.
Bro,
I'll go all the beats with the chopper. Crazy.
This is what I hate about LA is the traffic.
Go to sleep.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna go jewelry shopping today. The big homie Nick, he's gonna cop a Rolex today, and it's a very special day because you know he deserves it and stuff like that.
What if I actually do buy something today?
I think you should, bro. No window shopping over here, G.
He got so much new shit.
But yeah, guys, I think we are gonna buy something today. As you can see, we got the cash out. Nikon came prepared, bro.
You never know, G.
You're
I'm
wild.
always gonna walk in there with cash.
I brought my credit card, low key, just in
I didn't
case.
bring my wallet. Just kidding.
No way, Lime Rock spec G. Sheesh. With the Lime Rock building in the back too.
I haven't wanted to get.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Kind of like give myself something.
That's the one I want. Or that one.
Like the R8. It's kind of like a
Yeah.
present.
You can see Jimmy got all the watches.
People
already.
look at you different.
Oh my gosh. So hard to choose. Plain Jane. That one's nice. That one's nice. I like the one with the Arabic dial. Arabic dial is sick.
Bro, I don't even know. This one is so much more.
AP.
AP is like my dream watch.
I don't know. I like the iced out, blinged out watch. That one's sick. That one's nice.
Look how much it's shiny.
It glistens so much. God damn. We got the Hublot. The Hublot is nice too.
So this one has a flip lock, so
That's cool.
there's an extra lock when you take off the clasp. The date just is just
Oh, I think I like that.
just like that.
Yeah. You like this one, huh?
That one's nice. That's a nice watch. Yeah, that's classy.
This is watch. This is probably a lot though.
2030.
How much is this one?
That's cool.
But this one is clean though, huh?
Oh, that's clean. Yeah, that is the nicest one. Okay, I like that dial too. It goes with you because you wear a lot of like black and shit. No, like darker colors. That's the shit right there.
Bullshit you want, huh?
22,000.
That was sick. Let me see that one. Damn, check that out, guys.
I want to try that one now. This one?
Check that out, guys. It just needs to be adjusted a little bit. It's a little too big. Damn, that shit hard, bruh. Should we cop?
So many.
That's my dream.
This one's fire.
Nothing, just the Tiffany color makes it worth that much.
That's crazy.
Sold for 30? That's crazy.
This is very nice, bro.
That one is nice though. That one is sick. I'm not gonna lie. That one's
I don't know how to do this. Let's try this one on me.
Oh,
Nikon hates this one.
you're gonna like this one, bro.
Ghetto ass shit.
Ghetto?
Nah, G. Oh, bro, it's tripping. Go look in the mirror. Go look in the mirror. Just pretend. Look at yourself, bro. That shit. Oh my god. You're
I feel
tripping,
like the
bro.
bust down looks crazy.
Bust down goes stupid, bro.
Show him something for 10 grand.
I have a sub, no date.
You guys like bust downs or you guys like plain Janes
But
with
the
no
last
diamonds?
year, this is what I recommend. This is the best deal, and it's a 40 millimeter actually. So for your wrist, I think it's better. Starting 2020, they made 41. This is a 40, so it's discontinued. Also,
Oh, okay.
and complete
nice one,
set
too.
with box, everything. 2019 card.
So small.
That one is pretty sick.
That was nice too.
Yeah, that was clean.
And it's a no date, so it has that clean look.
I'm thinking it's because Like you can always tell. It's like having the money in your account. Why not just fucking buy it and then watch?
Yeah.
Deal, I'm telling you, it's a good deal.
All right, guys. Nick bought it.
Not yet, I'm about to buy it.
Alright, I'm done. Let's do it. Oh my god, bro. I can't believe I do this, nigga. Why are you forcing me to do this,
Oh, I'm telling you, the best decision you ever made in your life. You're gonna thank me forever forcing you to buy that.
What's up?
Look, those are the faces of the diamond. Look. All backed up, G.
Damn.
Bro, I'm really gonna do it? Too late now, huh? Cheers, guys. Again, huge shout out to my boy Jimmy too.
Damn.
There's no way I'm really doing this.
Rich.
You guys are bad.
That's rich.
That's all you want.
I want to
Every
bust
guy
down one
bust
day
down.
too, I'm not gonna lie. But this is a good first watch for
It
sure.
is.
Hey, Jimmy, you can put bottles all over this, huh?
Yes, you could, as long as the crown is closed.
Don't worry, Jimmy's gonna do that too. He's gonna be pouring it on his too.
Oh, Jimmy, fix my watch. I'm gonna pour bottles on it.
Fix it at the club?
He did last time at the club.
Oh my
I told him how to pour this bottle. He makes sure it's
To function.
Can we trade sometime soon?
So you unscrew the crown, it pops out. First level, it's just to wind it. There's nothing that changes. These are self-winding watches. They have 48-hour power reserve. So for 2 days, if the watch is sitting like this in the box, it'll keep time. After 48 hours, the time will stop. You have to reset the time.
What the heck?
Yeah.
My shit never has the time right. I don't even care.
You don't care for the time.
Can't believe I actually did this, guys.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think it's perfect. It's clean. You like it?
I'm just saying.
It's
Sick.
Rich.
See you.
Jimmy,
back there.
see you.
Hey,
Good
don't
seeing you,
worry,
Jimmy.
enjoy.
Bro, how does it feel to be rich? Holy shit, bro.
Can't believe I actually did this, guys.
Rolly, rolly, rolly.
It's
Flex.
Bro, honestly, I feel like it suits me a lot, guys. It looks cool. I feel like with the tattoos, I feel like this
goes
watch
with
fit
it.
better. The first watch I tried on was also another watch of the ones I wanted. This one, the only reason I thought it suits me better is because it looks more like for the younger audience.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm younger, bro. I don't want to look like an old man.
Yeah, yeah, grandpa watch. Yeah, this
Yeah.
is clean.
This looks more like everyday use.
Blackface
daily.
is sick.
Yeah.
Bust down, yes, bro. Bust down is the best.
No, no,
Occasions.
no.
Bust down is the shit,
No.
bro. I love bust down.
Day date after that.
All right, guys, we're about to get the M4 washed. It is so freaking dirty, but my boy at Sunshine Detail is about to take care of me. Get the car looking right for the weekend, because there's a car meet tonight and there's another car meet tomorrow. So the car's about to get nice and washed up, ready for the car meets. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. The M4 is super dirty, guys. Oh my gosh, it's really bad.
Don't need your fans coming to my house.
All right, guys, it is currently nighttime. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So yeah, we're going to a night meet. Nick is meeting us, Nikon, Chris, all the homies are gonna be there. It's gonna be a good turnout. And then there's another meet we might go to. I don't know if you want to go to the other meet. Do you want to go to the other meet?
Yeah, let's do it.
She's dedicated. All right, yeah, there's another meet though, guys. So we might stop at this one first, check it out. If it's not too cool, we'll go to the other one. And if that's not too cool, then I don't know what we're gonna do. All right, guys, we made it. We got Nikon in the M8, the homie Andy with the C63S. You guys remember Andy? I drove his car. But yeah, Nikon, big homie Neeks. Sheesh, rich.
Who brings the McLaren?
In the McCleasy.
Oh, who brings that crew like that? McLaren crew, baby. Oh.
Rich squad. Rich.
Big fan.
Rich. Damn, they got the whole McLaren squad out here. What the heck? How? How's everybody so rich, bro? Rich. What's up, G? How are you? Oh my. What's up, G?
I haven't seen you in a long time, G.
Where the?
Hey! I can't see, it's too dark.
Hellcat. Pretty much the Hellcat.
What's up, G?
The Hellcat has so much time to stop. Bro, it was like half a block, dog. He seen the light turn yellow. He still took it, bro. Gunned it, T-bone, and went straight into the wall, bro.
Why would he do that?
I know. It was bad. Yeah, I got it on video.
No way.
Yeah,
Do not run red lights, guys.
yeah, it was right here. It was right here. Bro, look.
I want to see.
Oh, he had the aftermath.
Yeah.
Oh.
Damn, bro.
Yeah. So pretty much he took it right here.
The light
Got
was broken or
T-bone.
it broke it?
Huh?
He broke the light? Or was
No, bro, that fool went in through the wall.
No, but the street light is.
Oh
is
no, I think there's a
Probably
barrier
broke
right
it.
here.
That's fire.
Oh shit, rich. Dang, man, they said, hey, look, I was over here having a conversation, man, and I got bust on real quick.
Are you in McLaren yet?
My boy getting money now, bro. My boy getting money.
Already from thing. Fuck, it's in Van Nuys. It's a dealership.
Rich.
How are you?
Bro, what do I get?
Alright, for sure.
Nick? Oh
Show.
my god, bro, I see you on YouTube. These guys already all know me and shit. On his fucking page.
Well, why didn't I get invited to the McLaren?
Bro, he just left me. I was put my hand up. I felt all
I got something to show you.
I didn't even know 5 McLarens were gonna roll through. That's crazy.
Wait, he's got something to show you. He's got something to show you.
I finally bought something.
Oh, no way! Look
With
at
the flash,
you!
with the flash.
Bro, stop! An original? Damn! I mean, no, because you know when you put diamonds all over it, bro,
Yeah,
you ruined
yeah,
the whole
yeah.
thing.
Look at
This
this.
guy, I was like, you got a flash? You got a flash or what?
Yeah, I need that next.
Hey, bro.
You know, there's levels, you know? I'm working my
Bro,
way up.
talk about it. You know, my boy Sith Chamba, bro, you see his wrist and he's got like fucking blow, and I'm like, bro, my little mini shit over here, you know? I'm trying to work my way up. I got 2.
Rich.
Stop.
Rich.
He's the real rich one, guys.
where's your
He's the real rich one, guys. He just don't let him fool you. He's got multiple cars. He just hides out. Bro, this guy's the biggest. You see him sell out on all his merch the first day?
Where's your watch? Come on, G.
You left it out.
I know, bro. Kevin needs a watch.
How did you?
Bro, because
How did
he
you
has
know?
Nah, he's the only one.
How did you know?
He's the homies
Bro,
with all of us. He doesn't.
I swear I
even
can't
wanna
afford it.
ask
Though.
you.
I can't afford it.
Yes, you can.
You
You,
don't have a
got
ca-
2 cars.
Let me see yours.
You know I got this.
You got
Rich.
chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah, I got my new one. Classic original.
God,
right
we
there,
got
baby.
rolling. Hey, they getting money over here. Nico.
Wait, show us your wrist.
I have the little Patrick Star one. You know, the SpongeBob one is nice.
You out here living naked. You honestly didn't get one, bro.
Now he's pressured to get one.
Half your closet. Just saw half your closet.
I still have your closet.
Literally, bro, you got like this
dead.
shit on you right now.
No.
G.
That's a clean M4. Is it paint or is it red? I can't tell, to be honest. M5. Oh my gosh, bro. We got the 4 GT. Sheesh. Shit, nice. We got the GT3, Sam's. She just picked it up. That shit nice. GT3. Very nice. Oh. What the fuck? There's no way. Alright guys, we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go somewhere else. There's another meet in Hollywood. So we might go to that. Oh, we are gonna go to that. What am I saying? We are gonna go to that. And then we might go to the car meet in Marina Del Rey. It's like a bunch of supercars. So we might go to that.
Sending you the address right now.
Seminary. They're literally all McLarens. Look at that. That's crazy. That's squad of goals right there. All McLarens? And me and Nico are the only ones with BMWs?
Yeah. Users.
Wow, that's messed up. Damn.
Beaver.
Nah, I know. We gotta level up. It's time for a supercar. Sean versus Arian? Oh my god.
Man, bro, how are you, bro?
How did you get parking in here?
I don't know. I snuck in.
Wait, but how'd you,
And you're like, she's fine.
What?
shit, big fan, bro. How you doing, bro? Holy shit. Can I take over?
Where we came from.
Apparently, we had the cops at us on the way over here.
Yeah, someone on the freeway was like, dude, big fan, bro. How you doing, bro?
We got the whole squad.
Coming live with skincare routine for Babor. You're gonna wake up with acne the next day.
What? Why is my alarm on? Why? What the fuck? Why is my alarm going off?
There we go.
That is the... No, it's still on though. That is the... Why is it doing that? That's so embarrassing. Alright.
You wake up with acne the next day. What do you
What
do?
is this?
You put on cardboard.
What'd you do to get this?
I'm gonna post them on my story, but I think I'm gonna delete it.
Delete that shit. That's funny. Yeah, guys, they were giving these things out. I don't know where the heck
Don't
we
use
were.
it. Don't use it, because you might wake up with like pizza face.
That's some random ass shit. I don't know. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.